Welcome to Reviewsinside, where today we're diving into the Bissell ICONPet Turbo Vacuum, a lightweight powerhouse designed to tackle all kinds of messes in your home. This vacuum is all about convenience, combining powerful suction with a set of features that promise a thorough clean with ease. But how does it really hold up? Let's find out. The Bissell ICONPet Turbo Vacuum is engineered for maximum performance with a high-performance digital motor and a 25-volt lithium-ion battery that ensures you get 3x more powerful suction than its predecessor. That means it's designed to work on a variety of surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors, without losing its edge. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or dust, this vacuum is built to handle it all with Turbo Boost mode for those extra stubborn spots. What sets this vacuum apart is its Tangle-Free Brush Roll. Pet hair can be a nightmare to clean, especially when it tangles around the brush roll, requiring you to stop and untangle it mid-clean. But with Bissell's design, that's a thing of the past. This feature actively prevents hair wrap, saving you time and effort and letting you clean continuously without interruption. Plus, the parking brake is another thoughtful addition. Just lock the wheels in place, and the vacuum stays right where you left it, so you can rest it against the wall without worrying about it rolling away. For those of you with low-light situations or hard-to-see areas, the ICONPet Turbo also features LED headlights on the nozzle. These little lights help illuminate pet hair and debris, so you don't miss anything while cleaning, especially on darker carpets or under furniture. Now let's talk about real-world use. The Bissell ICONPet Turbo Vacuum is impressively lightweight at under 8 pounds, making it easy to move around, especially for those who find heavier vacuums a hassle. It's an upright design, but it's slim enough to get into tight spaces and around furniture. The battery life, thanks to that 25-volt lithium-ion pack, is good for a solid cleaning session, and it charges fairly quickly, so you're not left waiting too long for another round. When it comes to performance, this vacuum doesn't disappoint. The Turbo Boost mode is great for sucking up embedded dirt from carpets or rugs, and it's equally adept at clearing pet hair from upholstery and stairs. The Motorized TurboBrush tool is excellent for these smaller, more detailed areas, like cleaning pet hair off of car seats or getting into the nooks and crannies of your furniture. The LED Crevice tool adds to the versatility by helping you see and clean in those hard-to-reach spaces. The only downside I noticed was that, like many lightweight models, the suction power might drop slightly when the battery starts to run low, particularly in high power modes. It's something to keep in mind if you're tackling a large area in one go, but for most people, this won't be a deal breaker. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the ICONPet Turbo is incredibly easy to maneuver. Its lightweight design and swivel steering make it a breeze to navigate around furniture. The brush roll is an absolute win for pet owners. And the battery life and Turbo Boost mode deliver solid performance across different surfaces. The LED headlights are a neat touch that really helps in dark corners, and the parking brake feature is a great addition for those who need a bit more stability during cleaning. On the flip side, the vacuum may not be the best choice for those who need to clean a lot of high-pile carpet or require consistent heavy-duty suction. Also, as mentioned earlier, the battery life can be a concern if you're trying to clean a large area on high power. But for general household cleaning, especially in homes with pets, these are relatively minor drawbacks. In terms of value for money, the Bissell ICONPet Turbo stands strong. While it's not the cheapest vacuum on the market, it offers solid performance for pet owners and those with multiple surfaces in the home. The Tangle-Free Brush Roll, Turbo Boost mode, and LED tools add a lot of convenience. And for the price, you're getting a well-rounded vacuum that does the job without breaking the bank. If you compare it to other vacuums in the same category, especially those with similar features like Dyson's or Shark's offerings, the ICONPet Turbo holds its own, especially when you consider its price point. When comparing it to alternatives, you might look at other cordless vacuums in the same range, such as the Shark IZ251 UK or the Dyson V8 Animal. The ICONPet Turbo is notably lighter than the Dyson, but the Dyson's suction power is a little more consistent, especially on thick carpets. The Shark, on the other hand, is similarly priced and offers great suction, but lacks some of the thoughtful features like the parking brake. It all comes down to what matters most to you. If you're after a vacuum that's lightweight, easy to use, and great for cleaning pet hair, the ICONPet Turbo is a solid pick. As for build quality, the ICONPet Turbo is well made, but it's not overly heavy-duty. The plastics feel solid, but you'll want to be careful not to drop it from a height since it's designed for ease of use rather than rugged durability. Maintenance is simple. Just empty the bin and clean the filters as needed. The brush roll is easy to clear of pet hair, which is essential for keeping the vacuum running at peak performance. Customer support from Bissell is generally good, with a reputation for helpful service if you run into issues. Though I didn't personally need to reach out during my time using the vacuum, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on the warranty to ensure peace of mind. In conclusion, the Bissell ICONPet Turbo Vacuum is a solid choice for homes with pets or for anyone who needs a vacuum that can handle multiple surfaces without the hassle. It's lightweight, effective, and packed with features that make cleaning easier, especially for pet owners. While it might not be the best choice for those with thick carpets or heavy-duty cleaning needs, it's a great option for everyday use. If you're in the market for a versatile, user-friendly vacuum, the ICONPet Turbo might just be what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to grab the product in the comments box below. If you have any questions, or if you've already used this vacuum, leave your thoughts down below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, keeping your home clean is just a vacuum away with Reviewsinside TV.